Hey everyone, Gil here at graymanprepping. On today's episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about sort of a winter storm thing, but only more so. As Uncle Al Bullfrog 79 says, it's snowpocalypse. So we're talking about a severe winter storm with lots of snow. I mean lots of snow. If you remember, was it 2 years ago? Texas had the severe cold and snow. And there's been times where Florida, I remember back when I was a kid, Florida got really cold and had snow falling in Florida, and people didn't know how to react to it. People are trying to just out there drive like normal. They've never driven in the snow and didn't know that you can't drive too well in the snow on summer tires. So think about it. What would happen to you and your family and your whole community if suddenly you got an enormous amount of snow? And some of you in the northern states, well, we get that normally. Well, what happens if you get triple your normal snow in a couple weeks? Now, how are you going to deal with that? That's what this is about. Planning out how to survive an unexpected amount of snow coming at you like a freight train. All right, so stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't go out and do anything foolish. Keep adding to your preps: water, food, medicine, clothing, like winter clothing. Learn a new skill, like how to make snowshoes. But seriously, learn a new skill every month and try growing food outdoors and indoors, especially in the wintertime.